In this video, I'm going to show you how to start from scratch in the new editor for PowerLead system. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll over websites, then go to drag and drop editor, click that. Now we're going to click on with our new drag and drop editor. Now what we're going to do is the first thing is click on blocks. We're going to go to empty block. We're going to drag the empty block in, drop it. Now we're going to go to components, click on components, and we're going to go to grids. And we're going to drag over 100% grid. The next thing in components, we're going to go then to headings, and we're going to drag over an H1 tag. Now in the H1 tag, we're going to click the text edit tool, the T, and then we're going to type in, "This is a test." Now we're going to highlight this. We're going to then center it up, and then we're going to actually change the font. We're going to change it to bangers, and then we're going to just click off and go select another component. Now this component that we're going to select is the media, and it's a YouTube media, and we're going to go over there, and notice that we have a blue line. That blue line is basically where the component will drag and drop to. So we want it below the text. I'm going to drop it there. Okay, so we've got the video. Now if we want to edit the video, all we'd have to do is go and select the edit tool, and we can change the YouTube video to whatever ID that we want to. And then now we're going to select a button. We're going to go back here to components, and we're going to click on buttons, and then we're going to grab a large button. Now this one's a little tricky. You just have to go over there and make sure it's in the right spot, drop it. Notice now we have a large button. Now we're going to click the edit tool again, and we're going to go to design, and in there we're going to change a few things because we want to have this centered. We want to have a background color, and we want to change the color on the button. Plus we're going to rename the button. So color here is the text color. So we want to change that text color to white, and then we want to change the background color to blue. And then we want to make sure the alignment is center. The next thing we want to do is want to give some spacing between the video and the button, and we're going to give a 20 pixel spacing. And then also on the bottom we'll put in a 20 pixel spacing. Now we're going to go to apply changes and click apply changes. Now notice we have 20 pixels from the video to the button, and there's 20 pixels to the edge of the block here. We want to change where the link goes to and what's on the button. So we're going to highlight the large button. We're going to change that to go to Google. And then we're going to click open in a new tab because we want to have it in a new browser tab. If you don't want to select the box. Now we'll put in here google.com, and we'll click apply changes. Now we have go to Google, and we're going to then have that so that it redirects to Google. Next thing that we're going to do is we want to change a few things. We want to change the color of this text because we want to put a dark background in the background. And so we'll select text again. And then we're going to go over the paint tool here. It's actually for color. We're going to click on white. And we've got that selected as white. And we're going to click apply changes. Now the other thing that we're going to do here, you won't be able to see the background when we change it because of the editor doesn't show the background at this point. Click the edit tool. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the background is transparent for the block. Now this is a block transparency. We're going to click on this point here. It's the clear color selector, and click there, and then click choose. Now that makes this background here as a transparency so that we can see the background image when we put that in there. Now we're going to do something different here. We're going to scroll down. Notice here it says menu. We're going to click menu. We're going to click canvas settings. Now we're going to go and select an image. It says background image. Select image. We're going to go over to PLS library, and we'll select one of the images here. Okay, let's select this image of the butterfly. We're going to click on the butterfly. Now we're going to click on use and insert image. Now the background has been inserted and used. We're going to make sure that we apply changes once again, and then now we're going to click save now. Okay, success. The site has been saved successfully. Now we're going to click close. Since we're finished, we're going to click on Exit Editor. If we want to do something, we can retitle this page. So if you want to just title it something like Test, you'll have the title of the page itself, and you just put whatever you need in there. Now click Save Changes to the web page. Now we're going to put in here a subdomain, and let's just call this Test 4. All right, and then we're going to click Submit. Now let's take a look at the web page. We're going to click View Your Web Page, and then we're going to click this link. Notice we have a nice "This is a test." Then we have the video, and we can actually play the video. Now we can go to Google. Click that. Now we can see that this has gone to Google.